Hello, today I will show you how to install Windows 7. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. So let's start the installation. We'll click next, install now. Now the setup is starting. So let's wait a little bit. We click IXID license terms, next, custom advanced, drive option advanced, new, apply, OK. And now we click on this and next. Now the expanding Windows files process is finished. So we'll click the restart. Click restart. No. And now the Windows it starts without the CD of Windows installation. Now the registry keys are updating. Now we are in the process completing installation. Now the Windows is restart and we're in the final process part. Now the setup is checking your performance and how it starts. But we have to put a username, for example, Windows 7 is Windows 7 test. And now we click next, a password. Password is test. If you recommend these settings, and this hour, next, home network, and now it's checking the network and applying the settings. Windows is finalizing the setup, and now it open our user. Preparing your desktop. And this is the installation. And we are in Windows 7, if you see. See, insert this and the installation. This is the video. If you like this video, I will create another video of the installation of Windows 10. Have a nice day. Bye.